Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the radiator safe. Turn off the boiler and wait 30 to 60 minutes so metal cools. This prevents burns and pressure. Close the supply and return valves, then open a bleed to relieve trapped air. Place plywood or cardboard underwork to protect the floor and position a bucket and rags. Loosen the union nut with a wrench while supporting the radiator weight. Once you feel movement, stop and recheck valves. Do not yank or force the joint. Once the union is loosened, support the radiator fully. Use a jack or a helper so the weight is off the fitting. Apply penetrating oil to seized nuts and wait 10 to 20 minutes. This reduces risk of snapping cast iron. Open the drain spigot and let remaining water flow into the bucket, stopping periodically to empty it. Use a spud wrench on the spud fittings, turning slowly while alternating wrench positions. Keep hands and feet clear of falling sections so nothing gets crushed. With the radiator fully free, lift straight up using 2 or more people. Cast iron is heavy and awkward. Set it on a padded surface and immediately cap or plug the pipe to stop drips and keep debris out of the system. Clean the flange and surrounding area, inspect for damage, and note paint or wall repairs needed. If the joint won't budge, try heat, more penetrating oil, gentle tapping, or cut the pipe as last resort. If still stuck, call a professional to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.